ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 612। टीका फर्स्ट लाइन। So Yajnavalkya ji said, Khilya bhava is the sense of limitation that you have in yourself. You who are otherwise Mahasamudra Sthaniya Paramatma. परमात्मनि अजरे अमरे अभये शुद्धे सैंधव घनवत एकरसे प्रज्ञान घने अनंते अपारे निरंतरे in this where avidya janita bhranti bheda varjita you are khilya bhavo praveshita. This sense of limitation has entered. So yesterday we were seeing the meaning of the ananta and apara. Ananta, it was said, akaranam न विद्यते अंतो यस्य सह अनंतः एंड अपार न विद्यते पारम यस्य सह अपारः, लाइक दैट. नपुंसकलिंग इफ यू से तत् अनंतम अपारम इन दिस. एंड टिप्पणीकार सेड अनंतम मीन्स कारण रहित. So that which is infinite does not have any karana because it is not a karya. And aparam means it does not have karya, means it does not become karana. This is how he has put. You can put it differently also, but this is for easy comprehension. See further in Tika. परस्य परिशुद्धत्वार्थम अजरादि विशेषणानि. परस्य परिशुद्धत्वार्थम, para means Paramatma is extremely pure, completely pure. Parishuddhatvartham, Ajara, Amara, all these Visheshanas are given. Visheshanani. Kena Rupena Ekarasyam Tadaha. Kena Rupena Ekarasyam. Prajnana iti. Prajnana Ghane Anante Apare. Ekarasa means in this way. Ekarasyam.
Swamiji, is it Aikalasyam? Aikalasyam?
You cannot see or you cannot hear.
No. No. I mean, Aikalasyam or Aikalasyam.
If you do Sandhi Vichcheda, णैकरस्य एकरस्यम. The शब्द is एक, and it is aparichinna, it is ananta, apara. Right. सापेक्ष infinite with respect to something. So sapekshatavam is not there. In some, I think, लोके जेये अपारे स्वर्गे लोके जेये. I think it can. Somebody can check. Point out this ananta apara shabda comes there. Ananta apara visheshana will make swarga. So it is apeksha, it is nirapeksha ananta that is given by the word apara. 4 number tippani says avyavahita rupa.
Swamiji, your audio is breaking very badly, Swamiji.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, now it is. Yes, we can. Now, yes.
So anante apare. So I asked a quick question whether anante apare swarge loke jeye, this is there in Kenopanishad, last mantra. So it is to eliminate sapekshatvam. It is nirapeksha. That is indicated by ananta and apara. Infinite, endless. Further in Tika, pratibhasamane bhede katham yathoktam tattvam iti ashankya. Pratibhasamane bhede, where bheda is pratibhasamana, katham yathoktam tattvam, there where I see bheda so evidently, differences are there. How do you say there is nirantaratva? That it is one homogeneous, ekarasa. Where I see bheda, everything is bhinna from each other. Pratibhasamane bhede katham yathoktam tattvam. Yathoktam means this prajnana ghana, ekarasa, ananta, apara, nirantara. How? He says avidya janita bhranti bheda. That bheda is only avidya janita bhranti purvaka. Avidya is karana, bhranti is karya. Avidya janita bhranti. Avidya will give birth to bhranti. In other words, agrahanam will give birth to anyatha grahanam. Not knowing Rajju, I will superimpose Sarpa.
Swamiji, in Kenopanishad, the last mantra gives Ananta Shabda, Swamiji. Anante Swarge Loke Jeye. But Apara is not there. Apapmanam.
So Anante, Okay. Anante Swarge Loke J is given. Here it is given Ananta Apara. So there Swarga actually means moksha. Where Ananta Swarga is given, then it is not Sapeksha, it is Nirapeksha. Here Ananta and Apara is given to remove the Sapekshatva. So Agrahanam will give rise to Anyatha Grahanam. That Anyatha Grahanam is Bheda. As long as Bheda Buddhi is there, I will not have Brahma Darshanam. Very simple. Bhavatu yathokte tatve khilya bhavasya praveshas tathapi kim syat iti ataha. Okay, let there be yathokte tatve khilya bhavasya pravesha. Means in this aparichinna Brahma, I might have this sense of limitation. So what happens? What happens? All your problems are because of this only. That is what is given here. तस्मिन् प्रविष्टे स्वयोनिग्रस्ते खिल्य भावे अविद्याकृते भेद भावे प्रणाशित इदम एकम अद्वैतम महद्भूतम महच्च तद्भूतम च महद्भूतम सर्वमहत्तरत्वात् आकाशादि कारणत्वाच्च भूतम त्रिषु अपि कालेषु स्वरूप अव्यभिचारात् सर्वदैव परिनिष्पन्नम इति त्रैकालिको निष्ठा प्रत्ययः. तस्मिन् प्रविष्टे स्वयोनिग्रस्ते खिल्य भावे. In that Paramatma Tattva, which is infinite, Brahma Tattve, Swayoni Graste, which is the yoni of this Khilya Bhava that I have now. My origin is Brahma. Swayoni Graste Khilya Bhave, Avidya Krite Bheda Bhave. All the Bheda Bhavas are because of Avidya. Avidya Krite Bheda Bhave. Pranashita Idam Ekam Advaitam. Nashitam. Pranashita, totally destroyed. Pranashita, how Nakar becomes Nakara?
आचार्य जी रसाणाम नोणः.
Rashabhyam Nonaha, that will not
yes.
work here.
Okay.
Because Rashabhyam Nonaha is Samana Pade. It has to be one pada only.
Okay,
उपसर्गाद अस्मासेपि णोपदेशस्य.
Upasargad Asamasepi Nopadeshasya. Pra is Upasarga. Upasarga is there, and because of that, in the Aupadeshika Avastha, this Nasha is Pranash Dhatu. Pranash Adarshane. So actual Dhatu is Anash. Therefore, it will go back to Ana. Sutra number is 8414. Bheda bhave pranashite sati. Then what will happen? Idam ekam advaitam. this Parabrahma, which is Ekam Advaitam, means this is who I am. This buddhi will come. If I don't entertain this buddhi of Abheda Bhava or Advaita, Bheda buddhi will never go. Bheda buddhi, if it doesn't go, really speaking, Advaitam will never become my darshana. My darshana will be of Bheda buddhi only. I will tell people I am studying Advaita Vedanta, but I will remain in Dvaita Vedanta. So Advaita Vedanta is only possible when I put forth effort for this. Pranashite idam ekam advaitam mahadbhutam. Now mahadbhutam shabda is there in the Mula Mantra. So he says mahadbhutam mahaccha tadbhutam cha. What is the samasa? Karmadhara. Karmadhara samasa. Mahaccha tadbhutam cha. Mahadbhutam. Sarva mahattaratvat. And it is Sarva Mahattara. So that which is the biggest, Brihattama, that is what is given as Sarva Mahattaratvat. Akashadi Karanatvacha. It is also Karanam for Akasha. Tika. Mahatvam Sadhayati. Sarva Mahattaratvat. Mahatvam is Sarva Mahat, is greater than all. Bhutatvam Upapadayati. Bhutam. Now Bhutam, normally we think Bhuta means Panchamahabhuta. But here Bhutam means Brahma. Paramarthika, Paramartha Rupa. Bhutam Trishu api Kaleshu Swarupa Avyabhicharat. Sarvadaiva Parinishpannam. Bhutam means that which is there all the time, in all the 3 periods of time. Trishu api Kaleshu Swarupa Avyabhicharat Sarvadaiva Parinishpannam iti Traikaliko Nishtha Pratyaya. This Nishtha Pratyaya is Traikalika. Which is Nishtha Pratyaya?
Nishpannam.
Bhutam.
Yeah.
Bhutam. Bhutam. Bhu dhatu. Bhu dhatu Nishtha Pratyaya Rupam will be Bhutam. But this Bhutam is Traikalika Nishtha Pratyaya. That is given in Tika. Bhutatvam Upapadayati Trishu api. Trishu api Kaleshu Swarupa Avyabhicharat. Swarupataha Vyabhichara is not there. So what is the meaning of the word Bhuta? Not Pancha Mahabhuta. Bhuta means Paramarthikam. See further in Tika. Mahat iti ukte Paramarthikam cha. Mahat cha tad Paramarthikam cha iti Mahadbhutam. Bhashya. Athava Bhuta Shabdaha Paramarthavachi. Bhuta Shabda is Paramarthavachi. Mahatcha tat Paramarthikam cha ityarthaha. So Mahad Bhutam means it is Mahat and it is Paramarthikam. Himalaya, Samudra, they are Mahat. Mahat Parimanatvat. They have Mahat Parimana. But they are not. What are they not?
Bhuta.
They are not Paramarthika. They are not Bhuta. So this Brahma is Mahat also and Bhuta also, Paramarthikam also. So why this Visheshana Mahad iti ukte Paramarthikam cha iti Visheshanam kimartham? Because Laukikam tu yadyapi Mahad bhavati, but Swapna Maya Kritam Himavadadi Parvatopamam na Paramartha Vastu. Like Himalaya, they are Laukik Mahat, but they are like Swapna Maya Kritam. Swapna Maye Yatha Drishte
गन्धर्वनगरं यथा
then Tatha Vishwamidam Drishtam Vedanteshu Vichakshanaihi. So Swapna Kritam, Maya Kritam, Gandharva Nagara Kritam or Gandharva Nagara Sadrisham. Himalaya, etc. Bhagavan Bhashyakar, without any hesitation, in one stroke he writes, they are like Swapna. We see Himalaya every day. We live in Himalaya, and he says this is Swapna Maya Kritam. It's like a magic show. That's all. There is nothing much. Himavadadi Parvatopamam na Paramartha Vastu. Ato Vishinashti. Therefore, Visheshana is given Vishinashti. Idam tu Mahatcha Tadbhutam cha iti. Idam, this Brahma, is Mahat as well as Tadbhutam, means Paramarthikam. Tika. Jagrat Kalinam Paridrishyamanam Himavadadi Mahad Yadyapi Bhavati Tathapi Swapna Mayadi Samatvat Na Tat Paramartha Vastu. Tikakar also joins Bhagavan Bhashyakar. Jagrat Kalinam Paridrishyamanam. In waking state, whatever you are seeing, Himavad Adi means whatever is Mahat according to this world, what we understand. Mahad Yadyapi Bhavati Tathapi, it is Swapna Mayadi Sama. Swapna Mayadi Samatva. Adi, see 9 number Tippani, Gandharva Nagaram. So, as soon as Swapna Maya Shabda is there, Mandukya Karika should come. Then you will know what is going to be the Tippani. Na Paramartha, na Tat Paramartha Vastu, and therefore it is not Paramartha Vastu. Means this Buddhi, if it can remain, that this Jagrat Vastu is not Paramartha, Jagrat Vastu is like Swapna, it is Mithya, then Dukkham will not be faced. Means Dukkham will not give you Dukkham. You will remain Sakshi of that Dukkham also. 1 number Tippani. Anantam, that Shabda, Anantam ityadi aparam iti anta bhashya rahasya udghatakam sardhavartikam. Why Anantam was given as Akaranam, Aparam was given as Akaryam? So it is because of the Vartika. Karanasya nishedhokti ranantamiti yad vachaha aparamiti yad karya aparamiti karyasya parah karyasya karanam karanasya tatha karya manto nadehe prasiddhitaha. Karanasya nishedhoktihi anantam iti. Yadvachaha. These words of Anantam actually refers to Karanasya Nisheda. Karanasya Nishedokti. and aparam iti karyasya parah, karyasya karanam. By saying aparam iti karyasya parah, so there were karyasya param means karanam na, and therefore it is not karya. कारणस्य तथा कार्यम अंतो अनादेः प्रसिद्धिः. कारणस्य कार्यम इस कारणस्य अंतः. अनादेः, if the vastu is anadi, beginningless, then it will not be karyam, so it will be akaryam. That is further explained in Tika, but just to bring this idea, anantam aparam, their meaning Tippanikara has given based on Vartika, and most of the times whatever Tippanis are there, either they are based on Vartika or they will be based on some other Bhashya reference, Mandukya Karika, some other mantra, or whatever is given in this Upanishad itself by Anand Giriji somewhere or Bhashyakar somewhere else. So keeping all of that in mind, he has written Tippanis. So there will not be inconsistency, incongruency. Bhashya first line, Anantam na asya anto vidyate iti anantam. Asya anto na vidyate iti anantam. Anta means karya. Kadachid apekshikam syat iti ato vishinashti aparam iti. And this is not apekshikam, therefore aparam. Vijñaptir vijñanam. विज्ञानम च तद्घनश्च इति विज्ञान घनः. विज्ञान घनः और प्रज्ञान घनः, whenever such words are there. विज्ञप्ति, विज्ञप्ति means ज्ञान मात्रम, not वृत्त्यात्मक ज्ञानम, not, see, ज्ञप्ति ही ज्ञानम when we say, it is not jnata. It is not knower of jnanam. It is not knowledge which is vrittyatmaka. And it is not the object of knowledge. Prameya. So it is not pramata, it is not prama, it is not prameya. It is jnapti matra. In Upadesha Sahasri, we will see this. Vijñaptir vijñanam. Vijñanam cha tad ghanashyati vijñana ghanaha. Ghana shabdo jatyantara pratishedhartha. By saying ghana, vijatiya nisheda is done. Jatyantara pratishedhartha. यथा सुवर्ण घनो अयोघन इति. Like सुवर्ण घन means a mass of only gold. Ayoghana means mass of iron. So like that, in iron, suvarna is not there. In suvarna, iron is not there, or silver is not there. Like that, in Brahma, nothing else is there. Only jnanam, jnanam, jnanam. नहि दृश्यम जड़म इंद्रजालादेर विशिष्यते अतो लौकिकान महतो ब्रह्म व्यावर्तयितुम विशेषणम इत्यर्थः. नहि दृश्यम जड़म, that which is has दृश्यत्व जड़त्व परिच्छिन्नत्व, इंद्रजालादेहे न विशिष्यते, it is not different from a magic show. अतो लौकिकान महतः ब्रह्म व्यावर्तयितुम विशेषणम. Actually, this sentence should go with the earlier. Therefore, mahat bhutam. That visheshana bhutam is for that. Apekshikam syad anantyam iti sheshana. So apekshikam, it is not by saying aparam. Avadharana rupam artham eva sporayati. What is the avadharana rupa artha? Eva shabda is avadharana artha. In the mantra, vijnana ghana eva, it is given. So we have seen all the other shabdas. Evam va are idam mahad bhutam anantam aparam vijnana ghanam eva. What is eva? He says eva is avadharana. What is the purpose of avadharanam here? Na anyat atyantaram antarale vidyate. Avadharana is na anyat jatyantaram antarale. In between there is no other jati suddenly. So only that and that. You see, ghana shabda is also for jatyantar pratisheda. Eva shabda is also for jatyantar pratisheda. So you should understand there could be two shabdas for avadharanam. One for avadharanam, one for nisheda. Basically nothing other than Chaitanya. And it is one Chaitanya. Nirantara. So there is no sajatiya bheda also. Tippanikar has not specified in this way. He has explained karya karanatvat karya karanatwadi rupam ityartha tattvamashyadi vakyat जीवेश्वरयोर ऐक्य ज्ञानात् कार्य कारणाख्यम जगन निवर्तते एवं सत्यैकरस्यैव पर्यवस्यति इति भाव एव सत्यैकरस्यैव two matras you can put. Now the next portion is etebhyo bhutebhya samuthaya tani eva anuvinashyati. Some that is the part of the mantra, right? Etebhya bhutebhya samuthaya tani eva anuvinashyati na pratya sanya asti iti are bravimi iti hovacha. See टीका एतेभ्यो भूतेभ्यः समुत्थाय इत्यादि समानांतर वाक्य व्यावर्त्याम आशंकाम आह. एतेभ्यो भूतेभ्यः समुत्थाय इत्यादि समानांतर immediately next sentence in the same mantra समानांतर वाक्य व्यावर्त्याम आशंकाम. What is the meaning of this व्यावर्त्याम आशंकाम? वाक्य व्यावर्त्याम आशंकाम आह. What does this mean? In Mandukya Tika, this has come many times. That Shanka, whose nivritti will happen by the Vakya, etebhyo bhutebhya, that Shanka he presents first in Bhashya. What did I say? That Shanka whose Vyavartanam, Vyavartyam Ashankam, that Shanka whose Vyavartanam will happen. By what? By the Samanantara Vakya, etebhya bhutebhya samuthaya. That Shanka he is giving first in Bhashya. Yadi idam ekam advaitam paramarthatah swachham samsara dukkha asampruktam. If this Brahma Vastu is ekam advaitam paramarthatah swachham, bilkul clean and untouched by samsara dukkha asampruktam, kin nimittoyam khilya bhava, then how come there is khilya bhava? How did I get this sense of finitude? Means who is responsible for my problems? Basic people want to know this only. Whom should I blame? I have backache. Who is responsible? You are responsible. I have headache. You are responsible. Somebody is not happy with me. You are responsible. For everything, only one person is responsible. Kin nimittoyam khilya bhava. So those who don't study Vedanta, they have such idea. They want to put blame on somebody. Here you see. Kin nimitta. Atmano jato mritaha sukhi dukhi aham mama iti evam adi lakshano aneka samsara dharmopadrita iti. Atmano jato mritaha sukhi dukhi aham mama. So this aham jataha mritaha sukhi dukhi aham mama adi lakshano aneka samsara dharmo upadrita. Because of all these samsara dharmas that are there, all of them are arising from this khilya bhava. And why khilya bhava has come, that is still further portion. Aneka samsara dharma upadrita. So aham sukhi dukhi jata mritaha, this continues endlessly. टीका खिल्य भावम एव विशिनष्टि जात इति अनेक संसार रूपो धर्मो अशनाया पिपासादिस तेन उपद्रुतो दूषित इति यावत्. अनेक संसार रूप धर्म अशना पिपासा एक्सेट्रा दे आर देयर तेन दूषितः खिल्य भावे निमित्तं दर्शयन् उत्तरमाह उच्यते. सो व्हाट इज द निमित्त फॉर खिल्य भाव? Nimittam, second takara is needed. Nimittam darshayan uttaram aha. Uttar we will see later. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.